people think about gardening and landscaping, and they just think about adults. Well, have you ever thought about how to get your kids involved in gardening or landscaping? And so today we'll talk about a couple of things that are very simple, easy to do, but they'll get your children involved in the outdoors. Tell them to put the iPad down, get out in the yard, and enjoy the yard. And so, as you can see here, there's a couple of different ideas. One is this particular idea. As you can see, this client has a child, a young child, and they've gotten out here and they have built a fairy garden, which is kind of neat. It's kind of cool. There's some houses. They actually bought some rock that's a little bit different here, and they've got a stream and a little river going through, and they've got some different things and some houses, and they've got some over there off in the distance on top of some rocks. And so it's kind of cool to watch the creativity of this child and this young lady as she has built this. She actually has a doorway on the rock here. Looks like it's that you go inside of the rock. And so just get creative with your kids and allow them to have some freedom and some space to be creative. Get them out in the yard. We've talked about gardening a lot over the last few months, and get your children out in the garden. Teach them how plants grow. Teach them the gardening concepts of growing things. And you say, well, Terry, I don't know how to do those things. And that's perfectly fine if you don't know how to do those things. Yeah. Learn on your own. Learn as well with your children. What an awesome opportunity and moment to be able to enjoy the outdoors and make creative moments with your kids. Those are things that you'll never forget. I can think back over time and my history as a kid and growing up, and my parents had me in the yard, or they had me in the woods, or they had me fishing. And so those are memorable moments. Those are moments that your kids will never be able to duplicate or to take away out of their mind because of the good times that you had. I can remember as a kid, we used to have a dirt pile in our yard, and I used to get out there with my little trucks and make roads and villages, and we had a racetrack and all kinds of things. So just a couple simple things. You don't have to be super crazy and super creative. Let your kids' imaginations run wild in your garden, in your yard. And yes, one day you're going to have to clean it up, but guess what? You'll never get that memory back of them enjoying it. I love to come to this house. We've been in this house for months, doing projects here, and I love to come by and see what new things their daughter has put in to the garden since I was here last. So get the time, take the time, let your kids be creative, and enjoy your outdoor space and your outdoor garden.